girl, Jeezy Chisa. So today, it's my POV. See ya. Now we're just waiting for other members.
Hi,
Hello guys.
for the couple. Where na you guys?
So, tsura naman.
Pero late na kami.
Wala pa kami ka-start, pero tsura naman haggard.
Haggard.
Siyempre, ikaw ba naman? Aron ka ba oras sa
Pero
ano ka
kamaan
mo?
kang gina, di ba na...
Ay, yun, Sandra, hello.
Hello, sa the kapatid.
Magkapatid. Are you ready for later?
Ay, gago makamay ko na.
How are you feeling? Siguro, kapoy. Kapoy. Ikaw, how are you feeling?
Okay.
Okay, sana ulit.
Sana all! Nung nakakapoy!
Nakaka-drive pa yan.
Ikaw, how are you feeling?
Very exhausted.
Here's our coach, guys! Our coach! Amo jaman banwa, guys. Happy Fiesta San Joaquin! Yeah! Coach, how are you feeling today?
I'm feeling tired.
Rama Oaks. Pararios ang sabat, no? Hello! Kato kami talag sa Garination. Mano kami? Pa-practice here. Jeezy Angels. Ay. Yes! 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 Pakita ko dahil kaninyo ang setup ng plaza tulad. Ay, Garination gali. Pero karon lang. No spoilers!
Positive 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, play.
How are you feeling?
Okay lang.
Vlog ko. Hi, kamusta vlog? Hi, vlog. Hi, vlog. Aray, nakusan. How are you feeling today? Ay, grabe ka, Oily! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh. Pwede rin ka mo guys maging judge.
Judgers lang.
Okay lang. Tapos... oh my God! Ila! Alexi Brooks? Jay?
Yun.
Pag wala kami tapos vlogging guys, mabay kami food. Among banwa! Sang salukin! Bang! Tudig! Uy, di damang ko. Uy, namawi, wow! Kadlo.
Yan ba ko yan, Snibon?
Patato tabi! Jeezy! Sir dahi!
Or sa liog.
Jeezy sa dahi!
Ano, uy, pwede man. Na lang.
Magkas man kag! After 3 weeks.
Nakit.
Tung tang ting dang pang chung ting
Amo namin mo,
Unahan lang.
Hindi lain to speak with. Sabi boom. Are we winners?
Serious girl.
Ay, sorry. Ikaw. Ano mahamba mo kayo maabot si nanay mo? Alexi. Manay. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom. Cute, cute. Guys, ang aming nga co-director. So cute, 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 cute. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom. Tavi! Why are you so silent? Why are you so quiet? Why are you quiet?
Because in life, you always find yourself in a crossroad of choices. I have the choice and you have the choice
I don't have a choice.
to be silent.
Sino yung mabet? Sino bet? Baby, kaya pati ako sa sex class. Baby, emergency.
Very moment, ladies and gentlemen, our new queen. Tayang Tambaluhan 2026.
Picture nito kay Babe! Picture nito kay Babe!
Queen and King 2000.